Let's take a look at our upper level pattern here and what's going on with this, daily rain change that's coming up here. So we've got a low pressure center that we've been documented very well here in the weather center the last few days, and how it's eventually going to bring that shower chance and that humidity here. And well, we've said, and you've seen the 7-day, if you haven't, it's again going to feature a shower chance every day here. But we've got two big areas of high pressure that are really blocking it up and can't really go anywhere. So we're just stuck in this pattern. It's a less than stellar pattern as we head into the first week of summer here. So here's the high today that kept us dry for one more day. Kept us sunny as well in some spots. And then you have this other high. This is the stronger of the two. It's a big heat dome, as we call it, over Texas, and has just been bringing some sultry air in there. Take a look at the temperatures in the country. They're max temperatures today. Now, you're looking at the triple digits here over places like New Mexico and Arizona and thinking, yeah, that's the real hot stuff. But I'd rather be here than I would rather be here. You're talking eastern Texas, down towards Louisiana. A lot of humidity in there as well, so it actually felt a lot worse. Look how cool it is. And again, this kind of corresponds with where that low is, with the cooler air, generally speaking, for the Appalachians, the Mid-Atlantic, and eventually coming here into the Northeast, and then some real cool air up here to the Pacific Northwest as well. But looking at the dew points, again, here's the really dry air once you get to the east, or I should say the west of the Rockies, east of the Rockies, and down to the south. Soupy air. Yeah, feels like values in the 110 plus range here of the last couple of days. We're not going to get nearly any heat, so to speak, anytime soon. But what we will get is that more summery feel as we start introducing the humidity here, and you can see the trend is upward and stays more or less in that humid range right on through the weekend. So watching all the showers, again, this is the high pressure here at the surface level now that staved off that warm front. But watch what's going to happen here. That was just one little round. You've got so many more daily rounds here. We're going to stop it mostly during the daylight hours to show you there's your shower or storm chance, widely scattered. There's another one that comes here. Looks like a nice one Saturday night and a Sunday morning. Again, models are not gospel at this point. You saw how infallible they can be yesterday, where they were hinting at rain today. Didn't wind up happening. But again, we don't have that high pressure influence nearby to save us this time. So it's a foregone conclusion we're going to have the daily shower chance. Maybe a rumble of thunder as well. Here's Saturday afternoon, showers pop up, they die down. Here's Sunday afternoon, the showers pop up, they die down. That's more of what to expect into the next week. Quick look at the tropics here. Brett, Tropical Depression 4, one after the other. There's another little tropical wave behind that. No designation as of yet. Here's Brett's track. Tropical storm, staying in tropical storm into the Caribbean. We're going to have to keep an eye on TD4 for our purposes here as it goes north of all the islands, north of Puerto Rico, north of the Dominican Republic, towards the Bahamas, and then into our neck of the woods sometime next week. We'll bring you more on that as the situation progresses. Again, here's the 7-day forecast with that daily shower or storm chance. Temperatures mostly in the 70s, maybe a few 80s around this weekend. The humidity on the way up as well.